Hello dear teachers. Now today I am going to explain you how to schedule your online classes in Devine Campus software. Before that we are having one more setting which we have to do into the Devine Campus as we have done for the Zoom US signing. Okay, so that also I am going to show you how it can be. So first you have to go to the Google Chrome, open the Google Chrome. Now right here Zoom, see here Zoom US sign in. Okay, so click on this, then you will get a ID over here, that is Zoom in sign in Zoom. So you can click on this. You already signed on this and you don't have to sign up again. Just enter your email ID and then your password and say sign in. Now after this you have to go down here, see here advanced, so click on advanced. Again go down, you got the integration, and from integration go to the app marketplace, then see here you got a developer option, so develop, build app, this you have done already. Now here you will find that JWT. Now in this JWT it is already created by you, so you will see here learn more or view more, view here, so click on view here, then Devine Campus will be open like this, and this is already copied by you, this copied and this also copied. Okay, now here you got one more thing that is called view JWT token. If you click on this, okay, you will get like this. Now it is by default for 90 minutes it is there, so instead that you can go for 1 week. Now after this you will get one link over here. Okay, this link you have to copy, so copy this link, it is said copied. Okay, then what you have to do, go to the next tab, take a new tab, go to our Devine Campus, login. Now select the school and login. This is usual process what you are every time you are doing it. Okay, so like this it is open, then go to the online learning, go to more and then online learning. The online learning you will get the more online learning, and then you will get a meeting account master, so click here on meeting account master. Then here account name is there, so if you click here you will find your name will be there, just click it on and then say search. Okay, then you will find your account name, email ID, employee and meeting provider Zoom is there. Now here you got select. Okay, so click on select. After click on select, you are having a JWT token which you copied already from there. For that purpose what you have to do, you have to go on edit, select edit, and then now this is open to you. So here you have to click and right click on it and say paste. It is already pasted because I'm already made the attempt here and I pasted it, so I'm not pasting it. You have to do like this, say and paste. Okay, so you will get the ID here, and after that you have to save it. Okay, here save. Once it is saved, now this part is over. So till then everyone has to do, because this is the new thing which is added up. All right, now after this you can save your schedule. Now that how to create that we will see. Now let's go to more again. Okay, then we'll go to the online learning. In online learning, now this left part you don't have to do anything into the left part, just go to the right part here, that is add button. So click on add button. Now this window will be open to you. Now you have to fill up all this detail. Now how to fill up that I'll explain you. Now first select, now here we are going for online, so right click on online, then select class, click it down. you will find the classes are there. Whichever class you are having, select it. Say suppose I am selecting ninth. Then subject. Now this is compulsory. Whatever the star marks are there, these are compulsory. Go to the star mark here. Subject, that is select. Now here, all the subjects are reflecting. So whatever subject you are having reflecting, select it. Okay. Then after that, now this topic. It may not be appearing here because heads are going to enter the topics. If not, let it be because it is not having a star mark, but still I am click on it. Now you'll see that the current electricity is the topic this I want to choose, so I click on. We have chosen this topic, that is current electricity. Then come here, you'll have the start date. Now choose here start date. Now if suppose my schedule is there on 4th, so select on 4th. Then the starting time. Now starting time here, this is the current time. Okay, now starting time you have to choose. Say suppose I am having a session at say 11:30, so I'll write 11 here, then here 30, and then now here if you click, it will become orange. Just click on this upper arrow, it will become AM. Okay, this is over. Then come down here, you are having the end date and then the end time. Now 11:30 means the session will end at 12:10. Okay, so here you can change 10. Now 12:10 means PM, it's okay. So like this you can have the online class, subject, topic, the start date, start time, end date and end time. Then here by default you get your name over here because you are going to logging in with your ID. Then co-teachers 1, co-teachers 2, no need to write anything. Now the topic. Title. Now title is what? Now here either you can write the same title or whatever title you are having. Say suppose I am writing here flow of current. So I'll write here flow of current. Okay, this is flow of current. Now then come down here, that is description. Now description is made mandatory by our authorities, so we have to write the description what you are going to teach. So either it will be in the form of explanation, whatever you are having, you can write the description. So suppose I am writing here for example, it is for example. So explanation of flow of current. Okay, explanation of flow of current. This is suppose I want to explain. Then what is the objective? That also you have to write. So objective. So objective, or you can say the objectives, meaning of two more objectives may be there, so I can write objectives. So it is knowledge. Okay, so my objective of teaching the current topic is knowledge. Okay, now after this what you have to do, now come here, you will find meeting account. So select it, search your name, say here my name is here, so select it. Then you will find that create meeting will be activated here. Correct, here create meeting will be activated. So create meeting. After create meeting, you will find that meeting created successfully. You can do this later on also. After selecting this will do. Now here you will find that meeting created successfully. Now here you got the meeting ID and the meeting password. This meeting ID and the password, you don't have to go to the students. And how you don't have to select this option, that is display meeting ID and password. So don't select this one. So what you have to do, rest of the things you have to select. Now see here, on students video, on student audio, on teachers video, on teachers audio. Now on student screen share, if you want you can give, or otherwise leave it. Now here on teachers screen share. Okay, so like this you can give. Now you have to select. Now after that you have to go to the track attendance. Now this you have to click. So track attendance means what? Here whenever the student is going to enter in your classroom, that time attendance will be taken. If suppose he leave your classroom and again rejoin, that will also being tracked. Okay, so that is called multiple entries and multiple exist. But only thing is that whenever he enters or leave, that can be seen and that can be tracked. Okay, so that is called track attendance. Now track assignment. So whatever assignment you are given, you can track it that case how it is given and whether it is completed or not. Then come resource application. Resource applicable. Now in resource applicable, what is exactly the meaning of resource applicable? Here, if suppose you want to share some of the pages of the textbook, or maybe the picture, or maybe the PDF, or maybe the work, maybe some what is called as the any of the book or something, so that you can say give from the resource applicable. How? If suppose I want to share some picture, so I'll go to the browse, and then my computer will open, my drive will open, and in that drive, if suppose I want to share some, say suppose this picture I want to share, so I click on this and say open. It will get open, and here it will, you will have uploaded successfully. This is not over, so then what you have to do, you have to refresh. So click on refresh, then you will find that the picture is uploaded here. See here, crab cycle jpg, and it is uploaded. Okay, so like this you can upload any of the picture or any of the document whatever you want to share. That is called the resource regarding your topic or whatever it may be. Then come to the reference applicable. Now when you go to the reference applicable, you will see that here one add button is there. Okay, now in this what you are going to do, if suppose you want to add some of the videos from any of the topic from the YouTube, so either one, two, or more than whatever number, so you can click on that. Say suppose I am clicking on one, by default it is one. If you want, you can say 5, 10, whatever. So I am showing you one only. Then you can click on add button. When you click on add button, here you will get a path open. So if you click on this path, then whatever video you want to show from the video, copy the link from that video and paste it here. Okay, that's all. So here the video, the link will be added, and this can be seen by the student. Then comes to the assignment applicable. Here also, in assignment applicable, now you want to give the assignment to the student in terms of worksheet, in terms of PDF, or in terms of, say suppose questionnaire. Then that same way you have to do whatever we have done it above. Go to the browse, select that and open it, and then afterward refresh it, and then you will find that the assignment will be reflected here. I hope clear. Then submit assignment. If you click on submit assignment, then student whatever this assignment submitted will be seen by you. So like that you can here. And now submit assignment remarks. Now if you want to give the remarks to the assignment, then that also can be given here. Okay, so submit assignment remark will be here. So now time being I am just unchecking this one, and here also the reference applicable I am unchecking. Okay, let the photo be here. Okay, so like this, all this you have to fill up. Then come on the top, here you are having assignment 2 button. Okay, if you click on this, you will get a window open in front of you. Here you will see the class, which is by default it will come, because I chose there as, I have chosen there as 9th, so it is 9th by default. Then I can see the division. Now I can either select, my division is C. Now if suppose I want to club 2 divisions together, so I can club like this. Or if I want all the divisions should be clubbed together, so you can select all the divisions. Okay, but mostly whatever division you are teaching, in that division you can check it. Otherwise, if suppose something happens, then you want to join 2 divisions, then you can click on B or C, D, 8, whatever, like this. Otherwise, you are having one more option here. Now divisions all, if you click on this, you will find that ABCD division is reflected. Now suppose I want C division, then you will find that the names of the students are reflected here. Okay, now if you click here, so all the students are selected. When all the students are selected, but you want that case some of the students should not join your class, so in that case you can uncheck them here like this. Okay, if you uncheck them, so these student will not get the your student your link for this session. Okay, and they will not join this session. So, or otherwise, if there is no problem for any of the student, then we can have all this, and directly you can click on C, whatever divisions you are having. Okay, now then what are the next is add button. So if here you have to say add, when you add it here like this, you will get the information about the St. Jude Secondary Common Division and so on. Okay, now this part is over. Then next part is there. Here you are having one more button that is called copy to. Now if you click on copy to, this is mainly for the scheduling for the week. Okay, so weekly schedule you have to do. So in that case you are going to go for the copy to. You can click how many lectures, daily lectures are there. Now you can select the subject here. So suppose I am having a science one, then I am having, say suppose, one lecture per day, and for 3 days I am having the science lecture. So I can write daily lectures and number of days 3. If I say apply, then you will find that a table will be open over here, and in that table you have to write the dates, everything, date, then you have to start time, end time, then your topic, and then your description, your name will be there, and all. And after filled up that, you have to save and then proceed. But here I am not doing this for the time being. Now time being, let us cancel this one. Now we'll proceed towards our, again go to the learning page. So let us check everything is done properly. See here, online 9, subject science 1, current electricity, then you got here dates, starting time, end time, everything. Okay, this is filled, so everything is filled now. Okay, then go for the save button. So when you save it, see here you will get a in this one that key, it is saved, that is your session is saved successfully. Okay, now what you are going to do, how to start the meeting. Now for that purpose, what you are going, here you will go my details. What you have to do, you have to go to my details, then employee center. Okay, come click on employee center, then you will find here online learning teacher. Okay, so click on this option, then you will find that learning types, say it is online, then you are having a class 9th, then say subject you are having science 1. Now topic, say current electricity, if it is not there it will do. Start date, say suppose 2nd, and end date is, say suppose, now here you can choose, say suppose I am having on 4th, so I'll write on 4th and then say search. Okay, now here already I have created so many to explain. So now here this is my today's schedule, that is select. So if you select on this, click on this, then you'll find that whatever you have saved will be reflected here. Whatever you have entered, it is reflecting here. Okay, now here after doing this, you are going to have the start button. Now actually it is already being done. So here you will have a start button. Okay, I'll go back, just wait a minute. Now I'll have block current, say suppose I'll check here, select. Now see here you will have the start button. Okay, now all everything is ready. This is what, when you are having a session on that same day, you can go to the either from your laptop or either from your mobile. Now mobile also, on your St. Jude app, just go to the online learning. If you click, your session will be seen over there. You just click it on and then start, then you will find that the session will be started automatically. Similarly, student will also have to go to the online and they will have option to join, so they will join it, and then you will find that they are reflected in on your mobile or maybe on your laptop. So how it will be, that I'll show you now. If I click on start, see here it is automatically connected to the Zoom, and Zoom will start opening. So see here, Zoom already open. As usual, whatever you are doing every day, same thing will be there. See here. Okay, so now the Zoom is already open, and now you can continue your own session, whatever you are having, and you don't have to worry about that whether the student will join or you have to join. So what you have, participants will be there automatically, the name of the participants will be reflected, join it. Okay, so like this you have to start and complete your session. So I'll stop this one, I'll end the meeting here, end meeting for all. Yes. Now come down here, go to the Devine campus again, and in Devine campus we are having this one. Okay, now I can say it is completed and say okay. So this session will be end from the software. So like this you have to schedule your online sessions for week also, or for daily purpose also, or daily if you are having 3 periods you can schedule it, or if you want you can copy it and make the schedule for the whole week. Okay, now I'll revise in brief. Now see what you are going to do. You are going to have online learning. Go to online learning and then go to the add button. Fill up all these details. Okay, whatever I explained you, fill up all these details, and then you have to create meeting and then go to assign to, select the class, select the division and say add. Okay, after doing this it is completed for you, and then you can go to direct save button and save it. Your session will be saved successfully. Then after that you have to go to the my details, employee center. From employee center you go to the online learning teacher, and then when you click on online learning teacher, go to the all this online, then class whatever you are having, subject say suppose this, and then go to the date. Now date you are having say 4th, search it, you will find the session will be seen over here. When the session are seen, then click on this select, then start, and your session will be started. So it is, although you are finding it little bit lengthier, but when you will habitual of doing it, it will be easy for you. I hope it is clear to you all. Thank you.